Insights is an analytics tool that helps you understand how users interact with your assets. Insights shows you who is viewing, downloading, and sharing assets. You can get a clear picture of what content resonates, so you can make better decisions about managing your brand materials. To get started, in your brand folder, select Insights from the toolbar. This opens the Overview page, which shows totals for views, downloads, and shares across your entire brand folder. On the right, you will also see the event feed, which lists the most recent activity. If you want to narrow down what you are looking at, use the date filter at the top to adjust the range to the last 7 days, 30 days, or set a custom range. As you scroll down, the Activity section displays charts that break down engagement by event type for the time frame you selected. At the very bottom, you will find Top Performers. This section shows which assets are getting the most attention, who is driving that engagement, and how often each item has been downloaded or shared. You can also explore various assets, user activity, and more using the drop-down menu at the top of the Insights home. Selecting Insights brings you back to this homepage. The Assets tab displays all assets and their view, share, and download counts. When you select a thumbnail, you open detailed insights for that specific asset. Next, let's look at the Events page. The Events tab works like an activity log. It shows each user's action, the resource they interacted with, when it happened, and their location, if available. Selecting the user or resource opens its detail page. Next, let's look at the Users page. The Users tab displays all users, their locations, and the number of assets they view, share, or download. When you select a name, you see a closer look at that person's engagement. Next, let's look at the Searches tab. The Searches tab displays the most active search terms in your brand folder, along with how often they are used. Select View to see the results. You can also access insights for a single asset without leaving the asset modal. Open an asset and select the Usage tab to see its views, downloads, and shares over the last 30 days. This tab shows the asset score, ranging 0 to 100, based on popularity, usage, and recency. Scores are normalized across your organization, making assets easy to compare. Insights let admins see top-performing assets, who engages with them, and when, making it easier to understand behavior and identify valuable content. Visit the Smartsheet Help Center to learn more. Thanks for watching.